Hey guys, so finally one more to unbox today. Tarot of Mystical Moments by Catrin, Welz, Stein. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And Tarot by Mystical Moments, quite a sturdy box. It's an oracle size actually. Alright, so let's just quickly unbox it. I don't want to make a long video. I have few consultations to do. Alright, so quickly, quite a sturdy box. I like the box. It's a typical oracle size box and oracle size cards, I feel. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty booklet. So each card has a meaning and the interpretation. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see here. Wow, love the back. Oh my god, it's gilded. Let me quickly cut it from the scissor with the scissor, and here we go. So the edges are gilded silver, and this is my first tarot deck. I have oracle which has gilded edges, but this one is my first gilded tarot card deck, and I'm absolutely in love with it. In love with the back. First time I have a back which is white, you know, this some self-printed thing. Then we have Tarot of Mystical Moments card, an extra card here which we are going to keep here. Such a beautiful one. Look at the picture, the artwork. I was absolutely in love with it for the very first time I saw it. Okay, absolutely in love, in awe of it. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through. The card deck is pretty sturdy, not very flimsy, and I love the edges. I think I have said this thing thrice already. Okay, now let's do a nice flip through. And I feel that, okay, yep. So this is how it looks, the Fool. The Magician. Wow. Such a beautiful, beautiful. High Priestess, the Empress. Look at the skirt. And look at the child, the baby. Emperor. Look at the mustaches and the castle and the tree. The Emperor. Ow. Okay, so we have two Emperor cards, if you see. How come? Oh, I was not knowing that. That's lovely. That's lovely. I'm gonna see later why does this deck has two Emperor card, which I'm gonna see in the book later on. The Hierophant, Lovers, Chariot, Snail, okay, Strength, the Wheel of Fortune. Amazing, beautiful card deck. The Hangman, Death, Temperance. Because it's new, it's kind of, you know, it's sticking around, but then once you start using it, it will become better. Wow. If you look at the tower, it is kind of falling down, and this lady is trying to catch it, hold it together. The Star. Wow, look at this. The Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Three of Wands, Four of Wands. Wow, such beautiful cards. Beautiful, just so beautiful. Wow, Page of Wands, Nine of Wands, Queen of Wands, King of Wands, King of Wands again. Okay, I think we have two kings in every deck, or two emperors in in this deck. Sorry, not every deck. Wow, Four of Cups. Such beautiful illustrations, I can't tell you. Wow, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, Queen of Cups. See, so this deck has two kings in every suit, and otherwise as well, like the Emperor we had two. I don't know why this deck has two kings. Why not queens? Why only kings? Not fair to the queen or the Empress. Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, yep. Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, sorry, King of Swords. See, two. No, not two kings. Actually, there is no queen. Oh my god, is it a printing mistake? No, it has written popular inspirational artist Catrin Welz has created a magical tarot deck in her signature collage style with lush images drawn from her intuition and imagination. This unique 83 card deck with a distinctively feminine point of view includes 5 bonus cards, extra female versions of the 4 kings and the Emperor. Readers can customize the deck by choosing which card to include in their readings. Tarot mystical. Okay, so it has extra. Oh, I want to know, one king is a man and one king is a female. The female we can choose as a queen. That's what I'm thinking, right? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? I am see. No, we have, yeah. No, we have queen. No, we have queen, right? Oh my god, this is so confusing. So basically we have 2 kings in this deck in every suit, in the Emperor also. We have queen also. And so for 5 cards are extra here. Instead of 78, there are 83 cards. All right, now let's shuffle and see how's the feel of it. Let's see. I just love this deck already. See, nicely it is shuffling. I just love the gilded edge, silver color. I wasn't aware, since I did not watch any unboxing video. I should because I saw one video of a tarot card reader. She was reading and I just fell in love. I knew that this is a tarot deck of mystical movement, so I just immediately ordered it without checking the flip through. But yet again, I'm not disappointed. The card stock is good, the card quality, illustrations are good, and I'm just enjoying this particular deck. It's a beautiful artist. The illustrations are beautiful, the artwork is beautiful, card stock is good. Sort of oracle size card deck, but then I'm not feeling any problem while shuffling, so it's just okay for me. So in case if you have smaller hands, you may face some problem, but it is not very big. Okay, it's just fine. I'm habitual of shuffling oracle decks. I'm gonna I just want to see how it shuffles from the side. Shuffle it sideways. Yep, shuffles well. Cards are too you know, they just slide, not sticking around to each other. Initially you know, while flip through it was, but then it was because it was new. But once I did shuffle it nicely and I did the flip through one by one, so it did help me to, you know, detach from one another. Let's see. Let me put one my intention, and then I'm gonna sage it later once I'm done with the video. Let's see, what is it? Let's pull out one card. Wow, Three of Pentacles. Somebody wants to work in a partnership, in collaboration, in a job, in an affair, in a connection, in a relationship. They want to put in some efforts in this particular connection, or they want to put in some efforts in the job that they are doing, maybe working hard towards getting a promotion, or there's some project that they are required to lead from front. Other interpretations are also there, but yes, this is what I feel for now. And so I'm taking your leave, and that's about it. That's the flip through of this particular card deck. I hope you all liked it, and meanwhile, take care and all the best. And this deck fans out properly. All right, guys, thank you. Bye bye.